Porridge today, Gromit. Tuesday. Huh? Huh? Oh! Mice, do you think? I think I'll make my own porridge. Where are we? Have you been peckish during the night? Only someone's been at me cheese. Well, I don't know. There's something very fishy going on. Huh? Do you think we should get the pest control people in? Hello, Wallace and Gromit's Wash and Go window cleaning service. May we be of assistance?
Hello. Yes, my windows could do with a jolly good clean. The wool shop in the High Street. Soon as you can.
On our way, madam. Let's get that kettle on. Good grief! What's all this? Burglars? Thieves? Oh, what a mess. I've never seen anything like it. Heavens above, Gromit, look at this. The little chap must be really hungry. Oh, come over here, lad. No need to be sheepish. We'll have to get you cleaned up. Gromit, you know we're doing the clock tomorrow. Sorry, Gromit. That was a bit thick. Back in the tick, Gromit. Won't be long. I just thought I'd... What I'm trying to say, in a manner of speaking, is... Caught bang to rights, you were. You've really let us down this time, lad. Hey, give over. Shoo! Go on with you.
I'm sorry about this.
For what?
Nothing. Just stay away from me. From my shop. And my silly, silly windows.
Well, I...
Forget me. I'm no good for you. I'm so sorry about Gromit.
Gromit. Oh, Gromit. work, lads. Hurry, oh! I suppose you'll have to skip the country now. A fugitive, eh? You'll be hunted down like, well, a dog. When did...
Stop it. Stop it, Preston. Oh! Oh! I want no more of this rustling. Oh! It wasn't so bad when it was just the wall, but this is evil. Daddy didn't create you for this. Ow! You're supposed to protect me. Let me out. You're not going to turn me into dog meat.
Stop me. Don't worry, Gwendoline. I'm on my way. We've lost them. Oh, we're at maximum speed. She won't go any faster.
Wallace, help me!
Don't worry, Gwendoline. Everything's under control.
Be careful, Sean!
Hey, steady on. Single file. Single file, I said. Oh, get yourselves organized down there. Watch out, lad! Wake up, Gromit. You'll have to be on your toes this week, lad. Come on, then. Why, hey! Aha! Watch out for me Nobby Styles, Gromit. Tom Finney. It's a rocket from Jet Hurst. Shankly. Pongo Waring. Stanley Matthews. By heck. Well, that's you warmed up. I think it's time to move up a division. Hee-hee! Smashing! How do you like my Preston North End Soccer-matic, Gromit? Works a treat, eh, lad? Guaranteed. All the goals, none of the fuss. Oh, heck. of balls. No need to worry. There's plenty more where they came from. Get ready, Grump. Oh. Oh, now that's just not cricket, Gromit. Anyone for tennis, perchance? Uh-huh. Ah, cracking. Eh? What the? Phew. Oh. Ah! Hey, this bully-proof vest works a treat. That final test was conclusive, eh, Gromit? Huh? Oh, no! Oh! You better get a ladder, Gromit. I think I'll crack me Artex. Fuel transfer complete. Confirm all systems go for launch. Ignition! We have liftoff. The trolley has cleared the garden on its 13th mission to the shops. Set guidance control to manual. Righto, take a left on Stumpton Avenue and proceed to the Pack and Save. Begin cheese acquisition, aisle 2. Easy does it. Steady, lad. It's the wrong cheese, Gromit. Go for the big one. Hey! Ha ha! Well done, lad. Now bring him home. Gromit, we have a problem. It's a long loaf, but it might just work. And lovely with a slice of cheese. Look out! It's almost due for re-entry. I can see him. It's just one small step. I knew he'd make it. Aha! Oh, oh, oh. Oh, the Edam is stranded. Gromit, we'll have to launch the probe. Oh. Ha-ha! That's it, boy. Bring it here. Ha. Oi, get off my cheese. Gromit. Gromit, go for him. Gromit. I'll give you what for, you tyke. Gromit. Oh. I think I fixed it this time, Gromit. Righto, 2 full English breakfasts coming up.
Beep, 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 beep. Top of the morning. Yum, 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 yum.
Scrambled eggs, eh, lad?
Grubs up. Bon appetit.
Oh, I think I'll have my eggs fried. Mmm.
Sunny side up.
Ah! Who turned out the lights? Oh, there goes the aspidistra.
More tea, vicar. Want lunch or two? Get home and milk it.
Do something, Gromit.
More stuffing, madam. Yum, yum, yum. Something for the weekend, sir. Careful with that liquor. Fill her up and more. Put it in the cupboard. Knickers.
Oh, I think I'll have the Continental tomorrow, lad.